gonna show you what I've been messing with here on this Mercedes-Benz 220 front end. And I figured out a way to get it apart and without having the coil spring clobber me. And now I'm going to do the same process on the other side so that I can get these control arms off and this part can go away, and that part will get sent to the next proud owner of this crap. So what I did was, first of all, I got the shock absorber out of there, and it doesn't really make much difference one way or another, although the shock would keep the coil spring contained if it was and that's all it took. Next, get these bolts out of here. Oh, lovely. I got some sheet metal in the way. I need to take care of that. Next, we take the spring compressors, but we're not going to work on putting these on the spring because they ain't going to go, basically. What we do is hook it. See, it won't quite go there. Not quite enough. But if we put it under there and bring it up here, we can get it so it's on that spot right there. See? And the key here is to make sure we have our retainers hooked to keep that from sliding out. There's a lip down below, so, and basically for screwing it down, just, I mean, it's not going to change the dimension on the kingpin here at all, so basically what we want to do is when we unbolt that bottom part, we want to slowly let the spring expand on the control arm. Let's get that other. Compressor on. Just doesn't quite have the capacity. all we need to do is keep it from getting any wider apart. So, okay, good. Tip this up. There. Oh, like that. Do's good. Do some excavating here. Yeah, just this kind of stuff, man. Okay, now what we're going to do is take those four out, allow that, and then loosen these up slightly. Oh boy, slightly is a key phrase there. Holy cow. I don't have a whole lot of... Let's see if we can get a little more thread through this way, so that when I do go to loosen them up, oh, there's a lot of tension on that. I think I'm going to get over on this side of it. And I think I'm going to put this back up on the other side of the spring. I wonder if I had it on that lip. I'll bet I did. I'll bet that's where I got all my range from, was because I had it down on that lip on the other side, like that. And that's how we were able to get our expansion. Now, hook that. Yeah, that's why these things were so much further out. Now I've got the range of motion that I need in on my threaded rod of the compressor to release some of the tension. Still a lot of pressure on it. Holy cow. There. Perfect. That did exactly what it was supposed to do. Now, and there it is. And there is one piece of totally useless metal, except for recycling. Okay. Let's give our working environment a little. There's the hooks, there's the compressors, there's the box. Might as well put these away now that I'm done with it. Good old Harbor Freight. Old Harbor Freight. This is, bought those, man, when did I get those? Back in about 1980. Something like that. First time I changed the struts on the 73 Bob. That's when I got those. Come out of there. There we go. Drop these down in. And put this away until the next time I need it. Got a bunch of tools to put away anyhow, so one less thing to take care of later. Now I need this, I need this. Oh boy, I need this. Okay, now let's grab it and pull, grab, pull, grab. Don't cut it off, just get a nice firm grip and give it a little pull there, and out it comes. I guess it's one of the redeeming things about having a totally greased up, let's see, are those 19s? 17s. Yeah, those are 17s. Totally greased up undercarriage is, things didn't get too rusty on the mechanical components. Okay, come on. Just a minute. This is another item that's many years. Oh, you know, I just, within the last 6 months or so, got myself an air chisel. Okay. Well, that's what happens when you use a tool for the first time. It doesn't always go right away. Okay, that's tight. Probably going to find a drawer for this stuff. The tray, that plastic tray is probably going on 20 years old. Yeah, sometimes it just needs a little persuasion. And I think at this point, it's all the further apart that's getting. That is going down the road. Well, with grease and all. Man, suckers. And I think we're going to call it a day.